Okay, fine. See, now our next problem is we are having the code here. In this code, we have added this username and passwords like this. So we have to avoid this one. So for that, what we can do is, whenever you are creating a repository, there is one place is there that setting up the environmental variables. In this environmental variables, what we can do is we can create a new environment for us. So in this environment, let me take up this one. Let me check out EAP domain. I am into this now, and I am taking this environment file here. I am creating one environment here. Okay, this is my environment. I am configuring the environment. In this environment, what we can do is we can create the secrets for us. Secrets means it is nothing but Snowflake account. What is a Snowflake account we need to use? Okay, we can take up this also. Yeah. I'm taking this Snowflake account here. Snowflake account. What is account I have used? Okay, Snowflake account. I am taking it. Okay, I am taking this Snowflake account. Snowflake user. And this is my Snowflake user. I am using secret and Snowflake password. And the Snowflake role is account admin and Snowflake warehouse I am creating. And I am creating another environment that is Snowflake database. This one, Snowflake schema. Okay, so this is the way we need to create the secrets. Now we have created the secret. Then how can we implement this secret into that into our workflow? See, we have created the secret. So this is our secret. We are having a 7 secrets here. Okay, now what I have, we can go to the next steps to check out. So this is the workflow we have created with the direct credentials. And the next step is what we can do is we are creating another workflow which will fetch the information from the secret and it will do the deployment with the same file. Let me copy this one the same way. If you are pushing something into this dev branch, automatically it will start the deployment. And here I haven't mentioned anything here, right? Here I have mentioned which environment I need to use. I am going to use this environment where all my secrets will be stored. I'm copying this. I'm creating another workflow. Git workflow. New workflow I'm creating. Okay, now my environment is environment. I am taking this. This is my environment. Taking this one, I am going to here. I am just replacing it. Okay, this is the environment where all my secrets are stored. I am going to use these secrets into my local into this configuration, and I am going to execute this main.deploy again. Okay, fine. So we have created this one, and I am
Gopi?
yes, boss.
Gopi. After meeting, you will share this link, right? Whatever the steps you have explained. You're showing some link, right? Can you
Yeah,
share that?
exactly. Yeah, actually, this is my local code where all these things are executable. We can directly, whoever is coming for training, so we are using this code for demonstration and all things.
Fine.
Okay.
I share this link, so that I will check.
Can you share the link, right? So we can implement that, right?
You can, yeah, I can share it with you. So for this one, I can share it with you, sure. So this is we upload.
Okay.
This
I
things.
just want. I need to drop. I need to go somewhere. Just.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Okay. Fine.
Thanks
Okay.
for
Thanks,
joining.
Gopi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, demo. This is for with the grids. Created this one, secrets, and this is the direct. This is the environment. This is the secrets I have used, and this is main.deploy. I have what I can do is let me commit the changes here. See, I have the create seat is automatically started working now. Let me check whether till now why it is executing 2 times. So now we have only the sales tables here. So the sales table only. Okay, so I need to disable this one first of all. This is already executing it, right? So demo secrets. Let me first disable this, otherwise it will keep on running whenever disable this workflow direct production. Now we can use only for this snow secret. No, it is failed. Let's see why it was failed. User must be provided. User is empty now. I know what is it. The user is empty now. Maybe that is because of GitHub Actions. Democrats here. What I can do is here it is username, and in our environment maybe we have defined that as something. This environment. Yeah, this is user now. Let me copy this one and I am changing it. Let me edit this. The variable name I have provided is username. Okay, I am username. And now I am committing this. Let's see what will happen with the grids actions. Yes, now we have only the sales table alone. So this sales table is deployed into the whatever environment we have mentioned, it is deployed, but this is happened with the help of secrets. Now we have set up everything now. First we have installed SnowSQL in local, and we have created a Git repository. We established the connection from local directory to Git repository, and we have created a development environment with the help of a branch. And now we have created a workflow with credentials, and we have created that workflow with visible credentials. So we have created a couple of workflows. Till now, we have implemented the changes into the development environment only. Now, what we have to do is we need to do the deployment into the next higher environment. Till now, we did the changes in the development environment only. See that is till now what we did is GitHub Actions. We have created the CI/CD deployment. Once, if you are change anything into this local directory, into this local, suppose if you are doing some changes in this local, now automatically that will be moved into your development environment. Now our next thing is it is in development only, right? So our ultimate aim, we have to do the deployment into the UAT environment. So for that, what can we do? So these things we have done. These things we have done till now. Okay, into that. Okay, promote to higher environment. So now what we can do is we have this higher environment. We have the higher environment, right? We have to create the UAT environment for us. Git status. So what I can do is I will do the checkout here. Checkout means for whatever information is currently latest in the GitHub, I will take the Git checkout to be. It is already there. I am taking all the latest code from the GitHub now. So this is the one we have created now, and now it is our local directory and as well as the development directory, development repository, both are in sync now. So on the next step is we have to create another branch that will be that we need to use it for UAT. This is UAT, right? UAT. I am creating it. There is nothing but another branch. This is for UAT. We are having all the code is here. Development is completed. We have to push the code from development to UAT, and there are a lot of change requests. Lot of branches are we have created and merged. At the last week, we created everything in this main.deploy. Okay, now everything is in the development environment. Now what we can do is we have to get the code from the development to from this UAT. So how can we do that? I have created this branch. Okay, now this is the current branch for me now. From if you put the git status in, now this will be moved from development to UAT now. Now what we can do is we have to check out everything. And ultimately, we already have all the information in the UAT. Now what we can do is we can just merge it. Already updated. Now what we can do is we have to push it again to UAT. Git commit. That's all. Now what you can see the directory, you can see the repository here. Repository means this is our base repository. In this, if you go to the code, we have this UAT main directory. We have the UAT code. So now all the development code is moved from UAT development to UAT now. Now what we have to do is we already have the workflow like this. Okay, we already have the workflow like this, but this is we have created for development, only for the development. So what we can do is we can change this. We have to create, we have to provide all this information of that UAT, and if we execute this flow, and automatically those code will be, I mean, whatever things we have developed in the development, it will move to the UAT. For now, what we can do is we can create a okay, another environment like main deploy is there, dummy. I can go to here. This is my UAT. UAT. So I am creating this database. And I am creating the schema. So now both are, oh, I can execute all the scripts, I believe. See, UAT is already there. And I am having this UAT schema also here, but it is not having any information here. Now what we can do is, I already fetch the code. I already take the code from the development, and I can see the code, current code into this UAT directory. Sorry, UAT repository. Now I can see all the codes here. Now what I have to do is, I need to create a setting. In the settings, I already have the environment there, right? In this environment. Now what I have to do is, actually we have to create another workflow for us. Another workflow. Let me create a workflow for us. This is the existing workflow we have. I am just editing it. This is for UAT. UAT. Okay. UAT. So everything is fine now. Everything is fine now. It is already working fine. This is the environment we need to use. But in this environment, we have provided that development credentials only. Now what we have to do is, we have to change the username and password. See, the username and password is no need to change. We have created a database and schema. We have to change these two information. Ideally, we have to create another environment. This is for CI/CD demo, right? CI/CD development, CI/CD UAT, CI/CD production. Like that, we have to create a different environment. For this demo purpose, I have created only one environment and just keeping this UAT and production values only. For now, we can do only for production. We can do only for UAT now. I am just configuring it. This is my user. Schema is, this is the database. I can change this database now. In this database, already I have, this is my database. I have changed it. Just copying it. Now I have changed this database, which will point to UAT now. And my schema is, I need to change the schema also. Snowflake schema. What is the schema here? And this is the schema. I'm updating the secret. Now this username, this database and schema now is pointing to UAT now. Now I am changing. Now this environment is ready now. This is in this environment. Now it is pointing to UAT. Now what I can do is, okay, I have just changed this UAT from development to UAT. Now I am committing this scripts. Let's see where it goes actually. Oh, I need to change this also here. That we need to fetch it from UAT main, right? Now it will, anyway, they both are having that same code only, right? That is the reason we have to create a separate workflow for development and UAT. Now this is the real time issue we are getting. We need to change this branch. Now this branch, we need to fetch all the information from this dem UAT dev main, UAT main, and it will, the code will move to the UAT environment. Okay, now that UAT got succeeded. Let's see config file. Okay, now it looks like it is succeeded. Now we can refresh it. See, now one table got created. This is sales table. Recently we have created. See, this is how we have to set up the pipeline, set up the workflows. So, and having said that, any questions, friends?
Copy. Just one question. Can't we? Because usually what happens is in flows like in Jenkins or something.
Mm.
You deploy it on you deploy it on development, you test it, and then you create a pull request or something, right? And then
Yes.
it should flow through to the next environment
Mm.
till probably it goes till whatever QA environment just before production, right?
Yes.
And then you get some approvals to put it in production. So can't we do the same thing in the one workflow, giving different environments and different secrets and all those things in here, or no?
No, what your my understanding is it possible to create a single workflow which will handle development, UAT, and production, right? That's what
Yeah. That's what I'm asking.
we can do that. We can do that.
Okay.
We can do that with the help of different parameters. Yes, that is only that, but that is not the best practice. It will the maintenance also high. Suppose if that person is leave from the company, then without having the proper documentation, then everybody will be in trouble. But mostly the development, UAT, production, all the three workflows will be in different YAML files only. But we can do that. Python is the right. We can do whatever things we want.
Yeah.
Okay.
And second question is, currently you are showing it only in one single Snowflake environment, right? But let's say if my development environment is in one Snowflake account, my UAT is in a different Snowflake account, that is also possible, right?
Yes, you can create another environment. That's what I'm saying in that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You
Got
can
it.
create another environment. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions, teams? Yeah, that's all, team, from me. Thanks a lot for your joining. We can talk in later.
Thank you, Gopi.
Thanks, Gopi. Thank you.
It was a good presentation.
Thanks.
Really, yeah, really, it's very nice and helpful for us.
Yeah, thank you, Ramesh. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye. See you later. Bye.